Good morning, dear students. Good morning, dear students. Am I audible? Okay. Today we discussed about Alternaria blight disease in various crops. Today deliver lecture on Alternaria blight disease in various crop. Alternaria blight disease various crop in like that. Alternaria blight of sunflower, Alternaria blight of cumin, purple blotch of onion, Alternaria blight of carrot, blight of marigold. 5 Alternaria blight disease belong to your syllabus. Sunflower, cumin, onion, carrot and marigold. Genus are similar here, only species are different. You have seen clear this. Alternaria blight of sunflower caused by Alternaria harianthai, cumin Alternaria bansai, and onion Alternaria pori, and carrot Alternaria deusi, in marigold Alternaria species. Here we discuss different hosts against Alternaria blight disease. Alternaria blight of sunflower. It is the most destructive disease and it is widely distributed wherever sunflower is grown. Why take all Alternaria blight disease in this class? Because Alternaria blight disease, similar symptoms, similar disease cycle, it is a seed and soil borne disease, similar management. So we take Alternaria blight disease, various crop in this class because similar almost in various crops, symptoms, managements and disease cycles, taxonomy, classifications. This disease has been reported to reduce the seed yield by 27 to 80% and oil yield by 17 to 30%, 35%. Yield losses are 27 to 80% and oil yield 17 to 35%. Symptoms, the fungus produce brown spot on the leaves. अब हम बात करें यहाँ पे अल्टरनेरिया ब्लाइट डिजीज, मोस्ट टिपिकल कैरेक्टर इन अल्टरनेरिया ब्लाइट डिजीज ऑफ सनफ्लावर, concentric ring, bullseye shape effect, target board effect is a main typical character of Alternaria blight. Fungus produce brown spot on the leaves, but the spot can also be seen on the stem, sepal and petal. The lesions on the leaves are dark brown to black, circular to oval spot ranging from 0.2 to 0.5 mm in diameter. Means concentric ring, diameter of concentric ring 0.2 to 0.5 mm. The spots are often surrounded by a chlorotic zone with necrotic center. That's concentric ring. What is concentric ring? Chlorotic zone with necrotic center. Typical symptoms here, concentric rings. Several spot, we know that all disease blight mostly, in which what happen? Initially minute spot, then large spot, become large spot, then what happen? Mixture of spots are together and pulsate together and show bigger irregular lesions. Initially browning, then turn to black, then leading to drying and defoliation of leaves. The disease sometimes causes rotting of flower head and affect the quality of seed by reducing the germination percentage. Because of Alternaria blight disease, it is a seed and soil-borne disease. So affect not only seed quality but also germination percentage. Also rotting flower head. You have clear seen this picture, rotting of flower head, Alternaria blight of sunflower, seed, stem, leaves, and rotting of flower. Causal organism, Alternaria halianthi. Alternaria blight of cumin की बात करें अगर हम, Alternaria blight is a considered most devastating disease of cumin in subtropical countries. Please believe this. Wherever growing or cultivable cumin area, this is a serious, most destructive disease, Alternaria blight. Even all field burn due to Alternaria blight. Clear, all field is clear due to Alternaria blight of cumin. Farmers is very nervous due to Alternaria blight of cumins. It is a very prevalent and destructive. It affects all above ground part, including seed. The cause direct yield loss. Losses up to 70% have been reported. Literally, this disease cause highly yield losses. Even sometime or many times farmers come to villages, nearby villages in our university for this disease. Symptoms, the blight affect plants so very minute brownish necrotic spot. We don't know further describe each disease, every disease, because we know what is symptoms of Alternaria blight. So we know that is the typical symptoms of Alternaria blight. Concentric ring, bullseye shape effect, target board shape, necrotic zone, around the concentric ring, necrotic zone, and initially small spots, then become larger and brownish to blackish, and necrotic phases. Black spot is blackish stage. This is a necrotic spot. Necrotic means death of tissues and defoliation and death of the plant. Ultimately, death of the plant. And crop get high intensity of disease and produce unmarketable seed, because we know cumin seed we use. Usable part of cumin seed. So this, due to this disease, unmarketable seeds. You have clear seen this picture, the seed of cumin. Here is blight disease, Alternaria bonsai. You have clear seen this picture. This is a burn, like a burn plant due to Alternaria blight. Blight means burn. This is all filled burn due to Alternaria blight disease. Severe losses up to 70% losses. You have clear seen this picture. Purple blotch of onion. It is causes 20 to 25% damage to onion seed crop. Symptoms. The characteristic symptoms here is similar. Concentric ring, you have clear seen this picture. Concentric rings, target board, bullseye shape effect. Today, recently, I associate with onion garlic project in horticulture farm. I seen in field concentric ring, and I identify this is a purple blotch of onion. Only showing these symptoms. If you go in field, then you totally and you identify this disease only showing these symptoms. These symptoms. This is a leaf of onion. This is a concentric ring appear on the leaves caused by Alternaria cori. Blight of marigold. In also blight of marigold, many pathogens associate in blight of marigold, in which Alternaria also one, like that Cercospora, Botrytis, Septoria species. All fungal pathogen causes blight disease in various crops. Alternaria also in one. Symptoms: brown necrotic spot develop on leaves which get enlarged, and the later stage of infection, it is also affect entire foliage get damaged and result in poor vegetative growth. Heavy infectious cause severe drying and defoliation. Alternaria blight of carrot. You have clear seen this picture. If you see very concentrate, that is a concentrating ring also appear in leaves of carrot. Small dark brown to black irregular spores are formed on the foliage. They have a yellow halo and usually first start from the leaf margin. Concentrating ring are seen on the spot. If you see near the plant, near the leaves, you see the concentrating ring on the leaves. Causal organism, Alternaria dowsey. Pathogens. All disease caused by Alternaria. Species are different, but genus are similar. Pathogen. Mycelium is septate and branched. You have clear seen this picture. This is an Alternaria. Mycelium is septate and branched. Fungus produce light brown colored multicellular conidia. Conidia are called muriform or dictyospore. Means what is dictyospore and muriform? Many times question asked in AOW. Recently WO or AO question paper. If you see the question paper of AO, you observe that you see that what is which pathogen spore is a muriform spore. Answer क्या होगा? What is your answer? Alternaria have a muriform or dictyospore spores. How? Because of dictyospore means having both transverse and longitudinal septa. Means transverse and longitudinal septa. Horizontal and vertical septa appear in this conidia. You have seen clear this picture. This is a horizontal, this is a vertical septation. Within 1 to 10 transverse septa, this is a horizontal, and 1 to 5 longitudinal septa, singly or in chain. Maybe conidia in a single, maybe in chain, one by one. The classification according to Kirk et al. 2008, classification all Alternaria are similar because genus is similar and species are different. There are perfect and imperfect stages. Why? Because of Alternaria belong to imperfect fungi, earlier known as Deuteromycota, recently group Hypomycetes. Imperfect stage, domain Eukarya, fungi, group Hypomycetes, genus Alternaria. Species are, we know that Helianthi, bonsai, pori, dowsey. And in which perfect stage belong to Ascomycota group, because imperfect stage do not have sexual reproduction. Lack of sexual reproduction. Only have asexual reproduction. Only have asexual reproduction by conidia. Only conidia. In which there is sexual reproduction occurring Ascomycota. Perfect stage, teleomorphic stage, also known as, is belong to Ascomycota phylum. Here we see domain Eukarya, kingdom fungi, phylum Ascomycota, class Dothidiomycetes, order Pleosporales, family Pleosporaceae, genus Alternaria. In Alternaria, it is imperfect. Livia is a perfect stage of Alternaria. Many time question asked in paper, what is a perfect stage of Alternaria? What is reply? What is answer? Livia is a perfect stage of Alternaria. Species bonsai, Helianthi, pori, and dowsey. I mentioned Brassicola and Brassicae because we studied, we described, we discussed earlier Alternaria blight of mustard in previous classes. So there are similar characters. So how many disease of Alternaria blight in your syllabus? Alternaria mustard, Alternaria cumin, Alternaria sunflower, onion, and carrot. I think or everything is clear. Eukarya, fungi, Ascomycota, Dothyriomycetes is a class, Pleosporals is an order, family is Pleosporaceae, and genus are Livia. Favorable conditions. Rainy weathers is the most favorable. Humid climate. Cool winter climate. Late soil crops are highly susceptible to Alternaria blight disease. Disease cycle. The fungus survive in the infected host tissues and weed host means this is a seed and soil borne disease. I told earlier that is a seed and soil borne disease survive in tissues and weeds, and also seed borne and soil borne. Primary infection caused by this conidia and mycelium on the leaves, and the secondary spread is mainly through wind blowing conidia. Primary by the primary by primary infection by the conidia and mycelium on the leaves or plant debris, and secondary by wind blowing. Management are similar, all diseases. Management cultural practices, deep summer plowing, proper spacing, clean cultivation and field sanitation, use of resistant or tolerant varieties like in which sunflower, if we talk about sunflower, BSH1 is a resistant variety of sunflower. And we talk about onion, Telani Ram, Telani red of onion varieties are resistant to Alternaria blight. So we always use resistant varieties against Alternaria blight disease. Application of well-rotted manure, practice crop rotation. We know that is a seed and soil-borne diseases. So all practices we use of seed and soil-borne diseases related, like that seed, summer plowing, deep summer plowing, proper spacing, avoid monocropping, crop rotation, leguminaceae with species, spices and cereals, and avoid monocropping, field rotations, crop rotations, and many practices there, like that eradicate of weed host because survive on also on weed, and eradicate burn crop residues, and chemical controls. Treat the seed with thiram carbendazim at 2 gram per kg seed. Okay, and spray mancozeb at 2. Sorry, spray not spray. This is also seed treatment. Seed treatment mancozeb at 2 kg per hectare. Thiram carbendazim or mancozeb. Even we talk about standing field crop, systemic fungicides hexaconazole, taboconazole, and non-systemic fungicides mancozeb proved to be most effective against cumin blight, sunflower blight, carrot blight, Alternaria blight of onion. Combination of taboconazole and azidirachtin means it is an eco-friendly management. Like that, fungicides integration, neem product as a directive. 4 spray of diethan M45 for the effective of control of blight disease. That is complete our disease. So we need a repetition. Most of disease, Alternaria disease in belong our syllabus. Alternaria blight of sunflower, Alternaria blight of cumin, purple blotch of onion, Alternaria blight of carrot, blight of marigold, caused by Alternaria halenthai, bonsai, porai, dowsy, and different species of Alternaria. Nothing like that. Only you learn that typical symptoms of Alternaria. What is typical symptoms? This is an initial minute spot, then pulsate each other means आपस में मिल जाएंगे छोटे छोटे स्पॉट, आपस में मिलकर छोटे छोटे स्पॉट क्या बनाएंगे, बड़ा स्पॉट। स्टार्टिंग में कैसा होगा, ब्राउनिंग होगा, देन आफ्टर कैसा हो जाएगा, ब्लैक हो जाएगा, देन डिपॉलिशन हो जाएगा लीव्स का। एंड मेन टिपिकल कैरेक्टर, आप फील्ड में जाओगे तो आप फील्ड में देखते ही पहचान जाओगे क्या टिपिकल कैरेक्टर है। कंसंट्रिंग रिंग मीन्स chlorotic John with its necrotic scent. there is a typical characters. Even also affected flower head, rotting of flower head, stems, leaves. Blight of cumins are similar. You have clear seen this picture. This is a very too much blight, too much burr. पर्पल ब्लॉच ऑफ ऑनियन, मैं खुद ऑनियन गार्लिक प्रोजेक्ट में एसोसिएट हूँ और मैंने प्रैक्टिकली ये देखा है और यकीन विश्वास नहीं करोगे कि मैंने जैसे ही कंसंट्रेटिंग रिंग देखी और मैंने बहुत जल्दी आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया कि दिस इज अल्टरनेरिया ब्लाइट ऑफ ऑनियन, पर्पल ब्लॉच ऑफ ऑनियन। जैसे ही मेरा ये डायग्राम पिक्चर दिखाने से क्या मतलब है, इससे यही मतलब है कि जब तुम फील्ड में जाओ तो तुम इजीली आइडेंटिफाई कर पाओ कि विच डिजीज विच पैथोजन। This is a blight of marigold, similar, carrot similar. Pathogens are muriform dictyospore. Mycelium is branched septate and transversal and longitudinal septa. That's why called muriform. That's why called dictyospore. Okay, and this is a singly conidia or chain. This is a, this is a conidiophore and this is a conidia. जिस कॉनिडियोफोर के ऊपर कोनिडिया लगे होते हैं, कॉनिडियोफोर पे कोनिडिया लगे होते हैं, या तो ये सिंगल सिंगल होंगे या चेन में भी हो सकते हैं, एक के ऊपर एक अटैच हो। ये इसका क्लासिफिकेशन है, सिमिलर है क्लासिफिकेशन। फेवरेबल कंडीशन, ह्यूमिड वेदर इज वेरी फेवरेबल, रेनी, कूल विंटर, लेट सोइंग। डिजीज साइकिल, प्राइमरी इन्फेक्शन बाय कॉनिडिया एंड माइसीलियम इन सर्वाइविंग प्लांट डेब्रिस एंड सीड, एंड सेकेंडरी बाय विंड ब्लोइंग। Cultural practices, we know we are, I think you are master in management, that like I think, because if we know seed and soil borne disease, and what we do, first of all I manage soil borne, like that deep summer plowing, soil solarizations and deep summer plowing, eradications, crop rotations. All practices belong to cultural practices to soil borne diseases. And what is treatment of seed? Seed treatment with systemic and non-systemic fungicides combination, like SAF, SAAF chemical fungicide is a very most effective for seed treatment, 2 gram per kg seed. स्टैंडिंग क्रॉप अगर हम बात करें, खड़ी फसल में क्या करें हम, अगर अल्टरनेरिया ब्लाइट आ गया तो क्या करना है हमें, टैबुकोनाजोल है, हेक्सोकोनाजोल है, प्रोपिकोनाजोल है, मैनकोजेब है, कॉपर ऑक्सीक्लोराइड है। एक चीज हमेशा ध्यान रखना, कोई भी ब्लाइट डिजीज हो, मैनकोजेब 2 ग्राम पर लीटर वाटर में आप स्प्रे कर दीजिए। कोई भी सर्कोस्पोरा हो, चाहे से वो सेप्टोरिया हो, चाहे से वो अल्टरनेरिया हो, कोई सी भी ब्लाइट हो, आप या तो कॉपर ऑक्सीक्लोराइड या मैनकोजेब। अगर हम बात करें बैक्टीरियल ब्लाइट की, तो copper oxychloride also effective for bacterial blight disease. I think all thing is clear. Now open for discussion. Any query? Please tell me about Alternaria blight disease, about today lecture. Kanchan Kumari Yadav, please unmute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Everything is clear or not?
Ma'am, clear है.
Okay.
Okay.
Even हंसराज यादव ने पूछा है, मैम सॉइल बॉर्न डिजीज में फ्यूमिगेशन कर सकते हैं क्या? फ्यूमिगेशन कर सकते हैं, बट फ्यूमिगेशन अपन ज़्यादातर फंजीसाइड्स में नहीं करते, ओनली ड्रेंच करते हैं। और ड्रेंच भी कौन कौन सी में, ये सीड एंड सॉइल बॉर्न है, तो हम इसे स्टैंडिंग क्रॉप में कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं सीड एंड सॉइल ट्रीटमेंट करके। अगर हम रूट रोट और विल्ट की बात करते हैं, उनमें जरूर हम ड्रेंचिंग करेंगे। फ्यूमिगेशन इज वेरी रेयर। ओके, अच्छा मैम, व्हाट इज टारगेट बॉर्ड इफेक्ट? नथिंग टारगेट बॉर्ड इफेक्ट लाइक दैट। आपके सामने, आप आर्मी में हो तो आपके सामने क्या होता है, टारगेट बॉर्ड। आपको कहाँ रिवॉल्वर चलानी है, कहाँ शूट करना है, आपने देखा होगा, रिंग से मैं एनसीसी में थी तो वहां मैंने शूट किया खुद ने भी। तो क्या होता है, कंसंट्रिक रिंग की तरह गोल गोल रिंग नहीं होती, उस पर आपको केवल एक टारगेट होता है कि यहाँ शूट करना है। लाइक दैट कंसंट्रिक रिंग इज सिमिलर वर्ड। ओके, एनी क्वेरी? दिनेश चौधरी, आई थिंक यू से समथिंग। अनम्यूट करो माइक दिनेश, यू रेज हैंड दिनेश। अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो तुम मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हो। विशाखा, अनम्यूट करो माइक। विशाखा शर्मा,
यस मैम।
समझ में आ रहा है? विशाखा,
यस मैम।
तो समझ में आ रहा है?
यस मैम।
या यूं ही बस फोन पे अटैच हो?
नहीं मैम, समझ में आ रहा है।
एक चीज क्लियर कर दूं मैं तुम्हें, एग्जाम हो या नहीं हो, भले ही तुम्हें प्रमोट कर दिया जाए, लेकिन एक चीज हमेशा ध्यान रखना, ये जो डिजीज वाला चैप्टर है, डिजीज वाला सिलेबस है तुम्हारे, ये हमेशा पीजी डबल ओ मोस्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन इसी से उठ के आते हैं। ठीक है? व्रतिका, अनम्यूट करो माइक।
यस मैम।
हाँ व्रतिका, समझ में आ रहा है?
यस मैम।
फील्ड में जाओगी, पहचान जाओगी अल्टरनेरिया डिजीज? व्रतिका, म्यूट कर लिया तुमने तुम्हारा। चलो एनीवेज, किसी कोई क्वेरी नहीं है, ठीक है, क्लास इज ओवर।